Like, you have to cooperate. I told you before, like, we are going with Auntie Jackie. You have to be on your best behavior. But no, these brows just decided to do their own thing. As always. Hey guys, what's up? What's good? Welcome back to my channel. Of course, I decided to follow one of my faves. Jackie. Actually, let's get Jackie on the lead onto this, okay? So Jackie's gonna lead us and we're gonna follow, okay? Right. You ready, guys? Are you ready? Let's go. Jackie. Today is going to be another one. I need Jackie cut it short, so we've got to cut it short. But anyway, I'm gonna follow her full face with Maybelline makeup. I barely have anything from Maybelline, even if Maybelline's affordable. I just haven't like branched out to Maybelline just yet. So I'm just gonna have to go with what I have. So half of the time I'm gonna be saying I don't have that. I most likely won't have it. So yeah. But I feel like this is gonna be fun, right? Let's go.
Just hit that button.
Hit that button.
Or there. I don't know which I don't know. You know, I'm probably never gonna know. Help me help you. I don't really have any Maybelline primers that work well for my skin type, so instead I'm gonna take my NYX Angel Veil and dab this in the areas that I get the shiniest. This is the best primer I've been able to find for my skin type.
So the first thing she does is prime, obviously, and I didn't even take out my primer. I just have one primer, and that's the Smashbox, and that's what I always use, so I'm just gonna use that. And she said dab it all around your face, right, Jackie?
My skin be recycling back and stuff. That's the only stuff that showed up on my skin tone. This primer, if you're chocolate like me, is gonna leave a nice white cast. We're gonna take some setting powder. This is my holy grail.
Hold on. I'm still, hold on. I'm still trying to dab my primer in. Girl. Now I'm done. Right. I think she said setting powder, but she hasn't put it on yet. So I'm just gonna keep this on the side. And this is my Sacha Buttercup. As usual. Right, let's go, Jackie.
Holy grail tip. I have been waiting to get my hands on these bad boys. The Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powders. Don't think I don't see your requests, guys. This has been heavily talked about the last couple months. I've been getting a lot of requests on this powder. I have one that comes in medium deep, and then I have one that comes in deep, holding the bar very high. It's actually pretty nicely soft, very fine milled. It's not as soft as the Beauty Bakery finishing powder, but pretty soft. So I'm taking deep and pressing that into my skin. Right now, this is probably...
She's taking deep? This is not necessarily deep, so I don't know if I should use this, if I should use my actual powder.
This right now is probably one of the only drugstore powders that comes this dark. So...
Actually, no. I have the black, what is it? It's here. I'll use the black opal instead, because she said...
a lot of people recommend products to me. They're like, oh, can you use this?
Pause. She said it's as dark as her skin tone. And setting powder obviously is like banana. So I'm going to use my black opal one instead. And that's pretty much like my skin tone. And I'm just going to dab that all over. As Jackie says.
To you. But they don't make it for me. So I can't use it. I'm going to take my oldie but goodie.
No. We're still dabbing it on, Auntie Jackie. As I was saying, I've never really followed a makeup tutorial to the T. Like as if I'm following a lecture. I just watch it, and then whenever I feel like recreating it, I do that without watching the video, because I just don't want to feel like I'm watching a lecture. So this is like the first time I'm actually following a makeup tutorial by the book. I look a bit crazy, Jackie, but so does Jackie, so.
Fit Me Matte Poreless coverage of Maybelline.
I don't have that. I don't have that either, so I'm going to use my L'Oreal, because it's also a drugstore, okay? Jackie is using her hands to apply it, so that's what we're going to do. Right?
Love the way that this doesn't feel heavy on the skin. I don't really have to say too much about Maybelline Fit Me because it's got a die-hard cult following.
No. She's blending. Jackie always uses a brush to blend. She always uses the NYX brush to blend. But I don't have any NYX brushes, so I'm just gonna apply my foundation first, Jackie. Okay? Gotta pause. And Jackie hasn't done her brows, and I usually do that first. So Jackie's Jackie's teaching us some new skills, okay? I don't know what brush to use. I'm just gonna use my normal Real Techniques brush to blend it all out.
And it's probably one of the most popular brown girl friendly foundations that I can think of. I'm not really a fan of putting foundation on my neck, but sometimes
yes, me
under my chin, like this area.
I don't
and
like
by the way,
putting foundation on my neck either, Jackie. She didn't go in with a beauty blender to blend it all out, so I don't know if I should do that. We just go with what Jackie says, okay?
I'm
so
using
we're not gonna do anything
Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Number 30 Cafe. Yeah, number 30 Cafe.
So she's using the Fit Me concealer.
But sometimes it can...
I don't have that either. I'm just gonna use my LA Girl in her one looks I'm gonna use it in Chestnut. I was gonna use it in Fawn, but her one just looks like it's a shade lighter, not like 10 shades lighter, so I'm gonna use it in Chestnut.
Yeah, number 30 Cafe. Now, I do like this concealer, but sometimes it can be a little watery for my liking. So I tried micro needling today for the first time.
Oh, we're gonna make that same mistake, guys. We're not gonna blend this out. We're gonna put another one on it to make it a little bit brighter, and that will be Fawn. I can find it, or Toffee. Fawn or Toffee, damn it. Fawn or Toffee. But because she didn't blend it out first, I'm not gonna blend it out first. Okay, Jackie? You said it, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put Fawn on top of this. I
don't have a contour or anything dark enough to contour my skin with. I'm gonna take my black opal contour. Actually, it's a foundation stick.
Hold on, Jackie. Hold on.
Black walnut. This thing is nice and thick too.
Still doing this.
I'm paying extra attention to that 5-head area. You know, we want to bring her down to a 4. Sometimes maybe even like a 3.5. You know.
I have a 5 head too.
Way too much. And for an extra added security.
No. Hold on.
Concealer right above. Wow.
The concealer on the top of her lid.
Creamy Maybelline Fit Me really
like
is.
This.
I just wish it was a little thicker. Like, I wish it had a hair more coverage. But I guess the Fit Me line is supposed to be more skin-like. I don't know.
She's basically giving herself a mustache.
Like, I wish it had a hair.
Are we looking like Jackie now?
I guess the Fit Me line is supposed to be more skin-like.
I guess
the opal contour stick runs a little olivey. So nice of the contour. And it's blending into the Fit Me so beautifully. You know what's so funny? Sometimes I'll be blending. I don't even be looking. I'll be on my phone just like this.
She already blended all of that. So, give me 1 second. We're just gonna like... Ah! She says she can blend it even when she's not looking. That doesn't really work for me, Jackie. Because, you know, some of us are still learning. I need to push my scarf back. Because I need to get this 4-head or 5-head reduced to a 3. Like you said, Auntie Jackie. So, you just gotta hold on. Hold on. I'm getting out of breath because I'm trying to blend so quickly. Okay? Right. I think we're done. I don't think it's as blended as Jackie's, but this is gonna have to do. Okay, Auntie? This is gonna have to do. Are you okay with that, Auntie Jackie? Are you okay? I don't think you are, but this is gonna have to do because... Hold on, why do I look so white? I was looking a bit too ashy before, that's why I was like, no. We're looking a bit, we have to look chocolate in this video, okay? Okay, I think that's blended-ish.
Ready to try the setting powder? I hold the setting powders to a very high.
I'm gonna keep blending because...
I do have to say I love the packaging, but it's almost kind of like a yellowy beige. It's
yellow.
Not yellow, but it's also not beige.
Yellow.
I like that.
I have
Let's
yellow.
Go with that, medium deep. Now, because I don't know how much this powder's gonna cut up. I don't know if she's gonna bark back or, you know, punch me in the... I don't know what to expect. I'm gonna start off with very little. Using my beauty blender. It is damp, by the way. I'm gonna dust off the excess.
My one isn't damp, Auntie, but...
more on the back of my hand. Thank you guys for recommending this. I think you guys really do know how much I like setting powder and the journey and the struggle of what it takes getting through.
She didn't bake because she just kind of tapped it in.
Skin tone, so
that's a bit too much.
Oh, in the camera, it looks so pretty. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. Now for a little bit of extra sculpting, I'm just going to carve out my cheekbones. Now let's go back to deep and apply this around my mouth area, like in my problems areas. This is my problem area right here, smile lines and upper lip cupid's bow. So I'm gonna take the butt of the beauty blender and
Hold on. Where's my other? No, hold on. Where is my black opal? I just used that like right now. And it's disappeared. Oh, it's here. Oops. So she uses that one, and she uses the bottom part of her beauty blender to do that. But I have a Real Techniques blender, so it doesn't have a bottom part. It's just sharp. So we're just gonna have to pretend like that's the bottom. It looks like all the powder has disappeared, but my powder still looks like it's there. Guys, I'm so tired.
Micro pencil. I'm going to use this to shape my brow, and then I like to go in with something that's a little bit like thicker in diameter. It is the Brow Define and Fill.
No, hold on. Guys, I'm really behind. Like, I'm barely trying to do my first eyebrow. I feel like I look so weird right now. Like, I'm not even playing. Like, but we're going to trust the process, okay? We're going to trust Auntie Jackie because she knows best. You know, she's our queen mother of makeup, so we just gotta trust what she's doing. Jackie didn't say she concealed her eyebrows, so I don't know if I should just leave my brows like this because it's looking a bit crazy, Jackie. It's looking a bit crazy. Jackie didn't conceal her brows. Like, she didn't say she concealed it or not. So we're not gonna conceal it because Jackie says don't conceal. Well, she didn't say that, but we just didn't see her do it.
I'm going to show y'all another one that I really foresee myself rocking a lot in the future.
She's in the
Especially
palette.
the quality of these are just as good as their swatching.
I don't have that.
This is the City Mini palette.
So we're just gonna have to improvise the colors.
Y'all, look how pretty. Look how bad. This is like baddie.
It's pretty bad.
In a palette. I need.
It's pretty bad,
Whoever
Jackie.
created this palette for Maybelline to get a raise and a promotion this year. Okay, you did that. Shayla is giving me everyday wearable, girl on the go.
So because Jackie's one looks a bit more deep brown compared to this, I'm gonna add a bit of something like this here, that one, because I think that's a bit more match.
Finally.
Yeah, I think that's it.
Somebody gets it right. And so gorgeous.
Without adding more
I'm gonna kick it
color.
up a notch with this. It's
No.
like a,
Hold on, my one still looks a bit crazy. Okay.
I'm going to carefully place this on my outer V area with a pencil brush. This one is from Sigma. This is the E45.
I don't think I have a pencil, but I'm just going to use the same one.
That crease. This black is performing really good as well. It's not chalky. It's not evaporating. Like, this is the problem that I typically have with shadows that aren't like ColourPop, basically, is that I put them on
Jackie's
and they
one's
just
looking
kind of
very
disappear
flawless.
or
Mine
they
was
don't
looking
show up
very
at all.
patchy
I'm very
and-
happy with the pigmentation and the blendability of these shadows. They're not like scream at you pigmented, but they do the job and they do the job
Jesus help
well.
us.
And I don't know why I can't find mine, so I'm just using black eyeliner instead. Don't put it above your crease though. Just keep it right underneath that eye socket. I'm gonna take this burgundy color here and
She
that's
wets
gonna
the
be our
brush.
lid color, but the
She
black
wets the
base
brush.
is really gonna make it pop.
So
Even
wet our
more
brush
so because we're
first.
gonna wet that brush first.
Oh,
not the way they would under a black base. Sometimes you just gotta switch it up. You know what? Even if you kind of go
She's
back
finished.
and layer a little bit of the gold, just a little bit though, because
guys, she's finished. Guys, Jackie's finished. I'm still here, and Jackie's finished.
outline that lid color. I'm officially.
No, hold on, no. Don't be officially yet. You're not officially yet. You're not official. My one is not looking like this at all. When I mean at all, I mean at all. Oh, my one's me?
I'm just gonna clean up.
I didn't realize my one was Maybelline. My one's Maybelline as well, Jackie. I was like, I don't have that. But then I realized I have Maybelline. But this is the Lash Sensational, so this is like back in the day. But it's still Maybelline, okay?
It's a bronzer that I have that I could probably recommend to you guys besides the CoverGirl Queen collection.
I
don't use that.
I have the CoverGirl. I have the CoverGirl girl. Let me just dig it out. I have the CoverGirl. Oh, I'm so excited. I have what Jackie has, okay? You guys can't tell me nothing.
Because that one was clearly plain.
No. Hold on, Jackie. We gotta do this. Gotta do this first. Ooh. I don't think this is what Jackie did, but... this is such a fail. Like, guys, look at my inner corner. Like, it looks like a light bulb is in the middle there. Like, Jackie's one is just nice and subtle. Because Jackie's waiting for us.
Like a warm vanilla.
That kind of looks reddish, like deep reddish. So I'm just gonna use my blacks from Colourpop because it looks similar. Okay, that's the whole point. Oh, she uses like a purple one instead. I don't think I have that. Do I know? Hold on. Unless I use like a lipstick.
Now I just want to know what they look like when they dry down, because this is absolutely beautiful. It's very
My one
thick,
isn't as pigmented
almost
either.
kind of like the consistency of
So now I'm going to use this one.
glosses, but they're supposed
Jackie didn't line her lips.
This is okay. I'm gonna put a layer. Ooh,
Oh, she did the same
layer right
thing.
on.
She did the same thing, guys. She used the red one on top of it, so that's what I'm going to do. And she didn't line her lips. I'm going to use this to line my lips.
Dry down too matte.
So that's us. I don't think we're looking the way Jackie's looking right now. Definitely not. Like, if I did this in my own time, like if I just watched it, then look at the look and then attempt to recreate it, I think it'll be better than this. It's rude. But Jackie, I hope you're proud of this. Well, that's questionable.